In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off microphone on any iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off you need to head over to Settings. And once it is done, just scroll down until you find here Privacy and Security. After that, guys, you need to search here for the microphone settings and then just enter it. And it will show you the list of all the applications that are currently have access to the microphone on that particular iPhone. And then if you would like to stop some particular application from having access to your microphone, then all you have to do is just turn the toggle button next to it off, just like that. If you want to stop any application from having access to your microphone, then you need to do the same steps for every application by turning off the switchers next to it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.